We know that it's hard to find the best gadgets with the biggest bang for your buck. Welcome back to Techler, and luckily, we've got you covered with our top 10 best-selling AI gadgets on Amazon. Number 1. Puppy Robot Dog with AI Vision. Powered by Raspberry Pi 4B 4GB, Puppy Pi is an AI Vision quadruped robot. It is made of aluminum alloy and loaded with 8 powerful coreless servos. Puppy Pi is based on ROS, Robot Operating System, and supports gazebo simulation. Made of aluminum alloy and equipped with metal bearings on joints, Puppy Pi features lightweight and high strength. Compact and flexible body lets it show talents even on the desk. It serves as a great platform for you to learn and verify machine vision, robot kinematics, quadruped gait controlling, and other algorithms. Besides, ample tutorials and open source codes will help you quickly get started. Number 2. Sphero Bolt Educational Toy. Sphero Bolt is a programmable robot ball that you can drive and code, providing endless opportunities to be creative and have fun while learning. Advanced yet approachable, you can learn programming, complete hands-on activities, and share your creations with the community. This educational robot features a durable scratch-proof clear plastic shell, inductive charging for 4+ hours of play, and connects via Bluetooth Smart so you can see your commands and creations come to life. Number 3. Moorebot Scout. Scout is a complex AI robot packed with advanced sensors and supports open source dev for tech lovers and robot enthusiasts with full user control. This smart robot camera works as a wireless camera for pets. Control the omnidirectional 4-wheel drive for your smartphone and see your home in a totally different way. His home security robot supports voice control with Alexa, Google Home, and Siri. Stream video onto your Echo Show. Sensor-triggered auto patrol. Number 4. ClicBot. ClicBot is a delightfully engaging robot friend that can get you and your family hooked on discovering fun ways to play. With over 1,000 easy-to-build configurations, enjoy experimenting and seeing your creations come to life. Build robots that walk, roll on wheels, slither like a snake. Select movement directions to get ClicBot to move or create your robot on the ClicBot app through an easy drag-and-drop coding interface based on Blockly by Google. ClicBot makes building robots a creative and fun adventure for the entire family. This engaging robot toy offers hands-on learning through imagination, active exploration, and coding through play. Number 5. Vector 2.0. Vector is no ordinary home robot. Packed with technology that brings him to life, he's curious and attentive. He reacts to sound, sight, and touch and is excited to see you when you come home. Vector is an updating platform, cloud connected via Wi-Fi, so he's always learning and updating with new skills and features. A new battery will provide as much as 30% more runtime. Vector's new 5-megapixel camera will enhance his facial recognition, improving his ability to recognize pets and even know when you are smiling. Number 6. Segway Ninebot LOOMO. The Segway LOOMO is the world's first advanced personal robot with truly mobile functionality and autonomous capabilities. Powerful motors and large volume battery enable speeds of up to 11 miles per hour up to a distance of 22 miles on one charge. 11-inch anti-slip tires allow for smooth riding on uneven roads. With its advanced computer vision, LOOMO can follow you autonomously, shoot stabilized video, and more. And you can speak, explore, interact, and experience as if you are LOOMO via the LOOMO app. Equipped with Intel RealSense ZR300 camera, which enables 3D perception, robot mapping, and obstacle avoidance. 1080p HD camera with 30Hz streaming, 2 infrared distance sensors help LOOMO more smart. Number 7. Petoi Robotic Dog. Beetle is the world's first palm-sized, servo-activated bionic robotic dog with 1 hour of playtime. Have your very own programmable robot pet navigate with lifelike movements and perform tricks with the remote control or the mobile app. Build and program your Beetle to perform new skills and tricks while harnessing all aspects of STEM learning. Begin with Scratch, block-based coding, and advance with Arduino IDE and C++ or Python. Develop your moto, physics, engineering skills, and problem-solving abilities. An excellent and challenging hands-on learning opportunity to assemble your own robot with 3D puzzle parts. Suitable for adults and children over the ages of 12. Bittle operates on OpenCat, an open-source quadruped robot platform that fuses multiple gadgets into one organic system, offering endless programming and customization possibilities. Number 8. 4K Conference Camera. Powered by cutting-edge AI technology, ClicBot smart video camera system automatically focuses on the active speaker. When different speakers are engaged, ClicBot meeting smart cameras can also dynamically recognize and follow whoever is speaking. Intelligent Zoom automatically includes everyone in the conversation, zooming in whenever meeting participants are present, optimizing screen real estate. Designed to make your remote meeting smarter, the ClicBot 360-degree video conference camera is all that you need for any video conference. The 360-degree camera captures the entire room in 4K resolution without stitching. The pickup range of the 4 microphones of the smart conference camera is up to 15 feet, enabling each attendee to be heard in the meeting rooms. And the 360-degree ClicBot video conference camera will automatically focus on whoever is speaking to foster active collaboration and increased participation. It doesn't work with FaceTime. It cannot be compatible with the virtual background feature of Zoom. Number 9. DJI Osmo 6 Gimbal Stabilizer. This intelligent gimbal is lightweight and compact. Simply unfold to start filming smooth dynamic footage. With the built-in extension rod, you can include more friends in the photo and take the perfect selfie. A whole host of intelligent features are at your fingertips, including shot guides to help capture the scenario you are in, or creative features like time-lapse. Upgraded Active Track 5.0 follows your subject smoothly and keeps them center frame. Capture them as they turn to the side or even spin around. Ideal for when you want to tell a story. A new side wheels adjust focus and zoom. Get cinematic blurs or zoom smoothly in and out for dramatic effect. It is strain resistant and coated in a non-slip texture with an ergonomic grip that will keep it secure in your hands. Number 10. Aqara 2K Security Camera. Aqara Camera Hub G3 is an indoor camera but with a 2K resolution, 20 frames per second, and great dynamic range of the sensor. The Camera Hub G3 incorporates a high-resolution 2304 x 1296 pixel sensor that results in better image quality with more details. In HomeKit Secure Video mode, the camera records in Full HD 1080p due to the current limitations of HomeKit technology. A 110-degree wide-angle lens coupled with the pan and tilt motors provides up to 340 rotation angle, supports automatic cruising, and face and pet recognition. As a Zigbee 3.0 hub, it can connect up to 128 Aqara Zigbee child devices and allow for seamless integration across Aqara's sensors and home automation devices such as HomeGuard, data reporting, and smart control. HomeKit, Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT are supported. The Camera Hub G3 has a built-in IR controller that can make your existing infrared-compatible devices smart and support local automations. All the IR automations are local and will run even if there is no internet connection. The G3 Camera Hub is certified by Apple, Google, and Amazon to meet all the security standards of the system of your choice. No need to worry about privacy leakage problems. It also has a hardware privacy protection mode that can be turned on manually or automatically. This mode can be easily identified by a cute sleepy face. Moreover, the data streams from the camera are encrypted and the latest Wi-Fi security standard WPA3 is supported to further protect your data. If you guys liked this video or this video helped you, please give the video a like. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to keep up to date on the latest and greatest in tech info. Till next time.